Well, hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Jim, this is my wife Cindy. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit. We have a quick video, I think it's going to be a fairly quick video today, on the mirror that we're doing for this bedroom set that you've seen in the past couple of videos. And we're going to be doing the mirror today, short video. But I wanted to take a second to talk to you guys. First of all, we wanted to thank all of you that are subscribing. We just went over 300 subscribers and we've only been at this a short time. But we started our YouTube channel because we wanted to share our passion for what we do. Cindy and I really did this as a hobby and we've been doing it for about 5 or 6 years. Last year when the pandemic hit, I was a gig worker and lost my income. Cindy was furloughed from her job for a short time. So we were both home. And that's when we made the decision that we would turn our furniture flipping into a full-time business. We started our YouTube channel just a short time ago because we wanted to share our passion for doing that with other people who are interested in it. And we wanted to thank you guys for subscribing, those of you that subscribed. It's hard to believe we've already gone over 300 subscribers. It's really very encouraging to us to know that so many of you are interested in what we're doing and letting us share with you what we do. I also wanted to let you know that we really want this channel to be about you guys. So while we have a lot of ideas, a lot of information we want to share with you, we also want to give you what you guys are looking for. So make sure in the comment section that you post comments. We're really encouraged by that too. If there's something you see us do that you'd like more information on, or maybe something we do that you'd like to see a more detailed video on, let us know that in the comments because we want to produce videos that show you guys what you want to see. The other thing is, when you're watching our videos, if you like them, it's really appreciated if you hit the like button on our videos. As you know, the way YouTube works, the more likes we get on a video, the more YouTube is likely to show that to new people. And that's really our goal, is to get out there in front of new people, to let them see our videos. So hitting that like button really goes a long way to help us out. And if you like our channel, certainly we'd like you to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let us know if there's something we can do for you or show you. And we're just looking forward to continuing to produce videos. It's a lot of work. I think a little more than we expected producing videos, but we enjoy doing it. And we just want to share what we know with you guys. So, as I said, today we're going to be doing the mirror for this bedroom set. And we'll get going with that. We'll start with the cleaning of the mirror. We got some good tips for you when you're doing any kind of a mirror. So stay tuned, and we'll get going with finishing up the mirror for this bedroom set. And again, just want to, heartfelt, we want to thank you, as you can see. Neighbors are already up and running around. We just want to thank you guys again. It really does encourage us that you guys are liking and subscribing and commenting, and we do our best to get through all the comments and respond to those when we can. So keep it up. We appreciate you guys, and let's get on with the mirror. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean up the frame on this mirror with crud cutter. We're going to scrub it down, get it all cleaned up, and then we'll go on from there. Once we finished cleaning with the crud cutter, we actually did use some glass cleaner. We cleaned off the mirrors themselves. The reason we cleaned the mirror, I know it's tempting to just wait. You're gonna have to clean it after you paint anyway. But the reason we clean the mirror is to find out exactly stuff like this. If you can see these spots that are on here, these did not come off with normal cleaning. So in order to get these off, we tried all kinds of stuff. We're not sure what exactly it is on the mirror. So for these spots, we tried glass cleaner and that didn't take them off. And then we tried vinegar and that didn't take it off. We tried mineral spirits, that didn't take the spots out. So we finally figured out that if we use vinegar, and I'll show you what we're doing. We're using vinegar and we're actually wetting the mirror where the spots are. And again, I'm not sure what these spots are, but if we wet down the mirror like this, and then we go ahead and use a razor blade, and we just go ahead and scrape all of this kind of carefully. The spots are coming out, so we are getting them all out. It's a little bit extra effort to get them out, but we want the mirror to be clean. And the reason I show you guys this and I'm telling you this is because if we had gone ahead and just painted the entire mirror and then tried to clean the glass and found out that we had these spots that weren't coming out, you can imagine if we splattered or dripped any of the glass cleaner or vinegar, or especially like the mineral spirits on our fresh paint, you can imagine what that would have done to our new paint job. So it always pays to make sure you have everything really cleaned up before you go ahead and paint. And yeah, we'll have to clean it again after we paint, I'm sure, but at least this way all of these spots we know are gone and it's not going to be an issue for us. And if we had to do this after we paint it again, you know, taking the chance of just messing up the finish would not have been worth it. So, okay, so we're going to finish this up and then we'll get to prepping everything for paint. So here we're just doing things without even turning the camera on. We're using our little triangles. So we're putting one under the flaps.
And this table
Well, we're trying to. And then we're putting a couple under the mirror and another couple under that flap over there just to lift it up. So I missed the table completely too.
It's further back than
It's way back there. Okay, hang on a minute. There is a table under there somewhere. So that way it's lifted off the surface so that we can paint right to the edge without having to worry about it. And we are going to be using Dixie Belle Slick Stick as our primer for this. The reason we're doing that is because we do not have, I guess, the proper sanding to be able to get into all these grooves the way we really should. So the Slick Stick is a bonding agent, so it'll We can use, Cindy's over there starting to laugh. It's a bonding agent. So it'll help the paint stick to the surface. It'll act as a bonding agent between the surface and the paint. So that's why we're using Slick Stick instead of the bin sealer on this. Because we're not going to be scuff sanding this.
And since we're gonna be we wanna use our Zebra brushes, this cleans up with water very easily.
Yes.
Now we're gonna start in the centers.
Like I said, it's a bonding agent, so make sure you wipe your threads off because you won't get it reopened. It will bond the cap to the jar. Is that what you want to hear me say? Okay, so we let our Slick Stick dry. Now we're going to go ahead, give it our first coat of paint. Okay, first coat's all dry, so we're going to do our second coat. Okay guys, so it appears to be dry. So we're gonna see what we can do. Now, one of the things I wanted to mention, if you find, and we'll find out in a second here, but if you find that the tape in the corner is pulling your paint up, one of the things you can do is take a razor blade and score right in the corner just so you get through the paint, so that it doesn't do that.